In 2008, Jason and I joined forces and ran our first business building event for personal trainers. We knew on that day that this is what we wanted to do, and these are the people that we wanted to help. Since that event in 2008, our team has worked with thousands of personal trainers to help them build their businesses.
Through the program, the team's really given me everything. I'm a completely different person now.
When you study personal training, you have no idea how much of a business brain you need to have in order to succeed in the industry.
First and foremost was just implementing systems and processes. Then the growth came, and then with the growth, now it's been able to, really sort of change my lifestyle and the way that we've been able to live.
Within my first year of working with the team, my annual turnover was increased by 40%. I was then able to implement things like price rises. I was able to reduce sessions. I had more structure, and I was actually able to provide more value to my clients by setting up the right systems within the business.
The community itself is so supportive. I've been able to meet a lot of people from a lot of different walks of life, different parts of the fitness industry, and all of them add value to what I do and help me, be able to provide more for my clientele and affect my life in such a massive way.
It's just good to be surrounded by people who are one step ahead of you, so it kind of encourages you to level up as well. I really, really like to surround myself with people who encourage me to be better, and that's what I found with these guys.
At Trainer HQ, we provide tailored group and personal coaching programs to help you set goals and hold you accountable to improvement.